some infomercials or YouTube videos first, so I know what I'm doing, and I'll keep you posted how it goes. So I showed Dan your video of your saw, and he didn't know what to say. He was so speechless. I got my saw out of the box, and I have to put it together. Look, it's so cool looking now. Girls use drills too. It's okay. We need tools. Tools are very important. And show your husband this video. I broke the drill bit. Well, I didn't really know what that was, but it did look sad. Okay, so to install my cat door, I need a keyhole saw, a scroll saw, or a saber saw. Do you have one? There I go, about to use a jigsaw for the first time. What could possibly go wrong?